Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Dev. Today, we're diving into the biggest update yet for Expo SDK 52. This release is packed with exciting upgrades, from performance boosts and improved media support to new tools that make developing cross-platform apps even smoother. If you're a developer or just interested in app tech, this is an update you won't want to miss. Before we jump in, a quick favor. According to my analytics, a whopping 95% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If you enjoy tech news and want to stay updated on the latest in the app world, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you in the loop with all our latest videos. Let's get into it. Expo SDK 52 is the largest update yet, featuring improved performance, splash screen enhancements, dark mode support, and a stable Expo video library. The new architecture allows better interaction with native platforms, while tools like tree shaking and React compiler support optimize app performance. Additional libraries and features enhance user experience and developer capabilities. You may be interested in these questions. What are the key features of Expo SDK 52? How does the new architecture improve performance? What improvements were made to the Expo video library? Since 2018, the React Native team has been redesigning the core internals of React Native to enable developers to create higher quality experiences. As of 2024, this version of React Native has been proven at scale and powers production apps by Meta. The term new architecture refers to both the new framework architecture and the work to bring it to open source. The new architecture has been available for experimental opt-in as of React Native 0.68, with continued improvements in every subsequent release. The team is now working to make this the default experience for the React Native open source ecosystem. SDK 52 introduces major updates, significantly enhancing React Native's interaction with native platforms, while addressing performance issues with a new architecture. This update also includes splash screen improvements and dark mode support. The new architecture eliminates performance issues related to UI rendering and user interactions, enhancing the overall user experience in React Native applications. The new architecture is now enabled by default for all new projects. Splash screen capabilities have been improved. Now Android app works better with this splash screen to allow for easier transitions and the option to support both dark and light modes, increasing customization. The app configuration has been updated, moving splash screen settings to a config plugin, which aligns it with other modules for better stability and functionality. Expo has released a stable version of Expo Video. Yes, it's now stable. I recommend you to use it, which incorporates user feedback and offers powerful features like picture-in-picture mode and background playback. This allows developers to migrate from Expo AV to enhance their video capabilities. The new features in Expo Video and CLI aim to improve user experience for developers transitioning from web to mobile. These tools facilitate a smoother development process for cross-platform applications. The introduction of the useDOM directive enables developers to use web components like Divi and Span in native apps. You can use this on top of your component. This greatly eases the migration from complex websites to native applications. Expo CLI improvements include enhanced tree shaking support, allowing for better optimization by detecting code paths for different platforms. This aids developers in managing platform-specific code more efficiently. Enable experimental import support and ensure your app builds and runs as expected. You may experience issues with require cycles or mixing CommonJS and ESM imports. You can try this out today by changing your Metro config file. Expo is introducing features that enhance performance by optimizing app updates and utilizing a new React compiler. These improvements are designed to increase user adoption and app speed effectively. Smaller updates lead to faster adoption among users, making it crucial for app developers to implement changes in their Metro configuration. This can significantly impact user engagement. The React compiler optimizes apps at build time, automating performance enhancements without requiring developers to manually implement techniques like use memo or use callback. This saves time and effort. The release of improved React Native dev tools offers a familiar interface for developers, enhancing debugging capabilities with features like pausing and inspecting components in real time. This streamlines the development process. Recent updates in Expo SDK 52 introduce significant enhancements to app development, including improved Expo Modules API and the introduction of Expo Router UI for better navigation. These features streamline building complex applications and enhance user experience by allowing dynamic content rendering. The improvements in the Expo Modules API allow developers to integrate Swift and Kotlin for enhanced native capabilities in applications. This upgrade facilitates better memory handling and garbage collection. Expo Router UI offers unstyled and flexible navigation components, enabling developers to create intricate user interfaces, similarly to how RX provides tools for web development. This flexibility is crucial for modern app design. New beta libraries like Expo Audio and Expo File System enhance functionality, providing robust solutions for audio integration and file management. These tools enable seamless local and network file operations. Exciting new features and improvements have been added to Expo, making it easier to upgrade your app today. These innovations enhance performance and support for various functions, benefiting developers immensely. The introduction of improved support for background tasks and FCM v1 credentials enhances app functionality significantly for developers. These updates streamline the development process and improve user experience. New features like iOS 18 timed icons and live photo display capabilities allow developers to create more engaging and visually appealing applications. These enhancements ensure better integration with iOS functionalities. Let's check out some other changes on Expo SDK 52. Expo Sklite supports SQL Cipher. Expo DevTools plugin supports binary payloads such as unit asterisk array. Expo Notifications improved support for background tasks and FCM v1. iOS 18 tinted icons support. Expo Constants properly loads environment support. Expo Calendar from Sheets are now launchable. Expo Fetch drop-in replacement for Winter CG compliant Retch APIs. Expo Image Manipulator more performant contextual APIs. Expo Live Photo display live photos on iOS. Expo Camera various fixes and improvements. A comprehensive blog post will guide developers through the upgrade process, detailing necessary commands and troubleshooting tips for a smooth transition. This support helps in addressing potential issues effectively.